Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. The pandemic pressure is still on. It is still killing people, infecting people. Yesterday, 19 people were declared dead, or they became the victim of COVID-19 infection. So, its severity or its scare is still seen in the minds of the people. It's killing people, infecting people. Better is to follow all precautionary measures so that you can save your lives first. From 21st of September 2020, the partial mode of physical teaching has resumed in the schools. Better is to attend schools on your turn so that you can benefit yourselves to the maximum one from the virtual mode and also from the actual classroom teaching. Dear students, from tomorrow I shall be not available virtually as well as physically because I have to go undergo the trainings. That is the impact commence from today. So concentrate on self studies, and whenever you need any sort of help, do call me after the training period. That's after 3:30 p.m. After 4 p.m. you can call me anytime and I will help you wherever you need. Dear students, today we are dealing with very important topic in your political science class 12th, that is CTBT. Its full form is Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty. Dear students, the UNO was formed after the culmination of Second World War, and its main purpose was to bring peace and prosperity in the world. So United Nations creation was to check the further wars and to maintain peace in the world. However, during the Second World War, when bombs were used on Japan, this gave stimulus to the rest of the countries other than America to go for the nuclear weapon preparations or weapons of mass destruction so that in case of war they will defend themselves. In 1946, in UN General Assembly, it was there discussed that the elimination of the weapons, mass destruction weapons, should be there under should be there, and no country should prepare the weapons of mass destruction because it will disturb the peace and prosperity in the world. Because main purpose of the United Nations was to check the further wars in the world and also bring peace and prosperity in the world. Dear students, in 1959, the UN General Assembly also banned the preparation of mass destruction weapons, and this was adopted in UN General Assembly in 1959. After that, some treaties came into being, and these treaties were to limit or to reduce or to abolish the weapons of mass destruction, or we may say armament race. One of that treaty was important, that is called CTBT, Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty, and negotiations for this treaty started in 1977. And negotiations were like this: the non-nuclear states should not go for the preparation of weapons of mass destruction, and even they should not conduct peaceful nuclear explosions. Dear students, it was approved in 1996, but what was India's stand on CTBT? India did not, even Pakistan did not sign CTBT because this treaty divided the world into two spheres, one the nuclear haves and a nuclear have-nots. Some nuclear states were already possessing the weapons of mass destruction, and this treaty was banning the non-nuclear states to go for the disarmament or to not to prepare the weapons of mass destruction. So we can say this was completely discriminatory in nature. Would divide, or it will divide the world into two blocks or two spheres, that is nuclear haves and nuclear have nots. Dear students, once again I am repeating the things for you. UN United Nations was formed after the culmination of Second World War. Its main purpose was to check further wars in the world and to bring peace and prosperity in the world. But the arms race started in the world after the culmination of the Second World War, when America dropped two bombs on Japan, one at Hiroshima, other at Nagasaki. And it was first time in the history of mankind when atom bombs were used. It gave stimulus to the rest of the country to go for the weapons of mass destruction so that they can defend themselves in case of war. In UN General Assembly in 1946, it was adopted that all the it should that the preparation of the weapons of mass destruction should be eliminated. It should be completely banned. In 1959, once again, it was unanimously decided in UN General Assembly to put the ban on the weapons of mass destruction, and some treaties came into the being. Some treaties came on the surface. One of that treaty was the CTBT, that is Comprehensive Test and Ban Treaty. It was a treaty for which the negotiations started in 1977 and it was approved in 1996. It was treated like this. Then it was imposed on non-nuclear states, or it was restriction imposed on the non-nuclear states not to go for the preparation of weapons of mass destruction. And India did not sign this treaty because of its discriminatory nature. Even Pakistan did not sign it because it will divide the world into nuclear haves and nuclear have-nots. Nuclear states were already possessing nuclear weapons and they were asking others non-nuclear status, and they were imposing restrictions not to go for the weapon preparation. So this was the discriminating nature of the India's stand was clear. Then India did not sign, or even the Pakistan did not sign, because it was discriminatory in nature. It will divide the world in nuclear haves and nuclear have-nots. But this treaty was approved in 1996. Negotiations for it started in 1977. This is all about the CTBT. Hope you might have grasped the concept. I would be not available virtually from tomorrow as well as physically, because I have to go undergo the impact trainings that is commencing from today. Be psychologically motivated, concentrate on self-status, and you will cross the every barrier. Thanks. Be balanced.